Our Masters in Entrepreneurship, Innovation and Enterprise Development, taught at our Marylebone campus, will empower you to think creatively, act decisively and turn ideas into reality. You'll learn to identify opportunities, develop business ideas and bring them to market, whether you want to launch your own venture or drive innovation within an organisation. Through teamwork, workshops and live business challenges, you'll gain the practical and strategic skills to succeed as an entrepreneur or intrapreneur. You'll connect with London's vibrant startup community through our network of entrepreneurs, accelerators and investors, while accessing enterprise support via the Westminster Enterprise Network and Future Ready mentoring. You'll also benefit through career support through Zone 29, our home to careers and enterprise. With a focus on sustainability, diversity and the UN Sustainable Development Goals, this hands-on course prepares you for roles such as business development manager, project manager, intrapreneur or startup founder. Graduates have launched ventures including Imperia, Mills, the PR Genius, Gym Duo, Ready Set Startup on Amazon Prime, Ella Cares Foundation, Curato, Skygraph and Craver and La Rose Blanche.